Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Kartika Zalzabil. I am first semester student at University of Muhammadiyah Bogoraya. Today, I will gonna talk about one topic interesting topic for me. So the topic is student insight challenge in acquiring critical academic reading skills. Nah, in this topic, the first we will gonna talk about lesson objective. So the following presentation and collection of researches will focus on student developing the skill to achieve the following. So in this lesson objective, there are 3 points. The first is developing critical reading skills. So student will be change or developing critical reading skills that I have. And then the second is overcoming reading difficulties. And then the last is improve critical thinking ability. Now we're gonna talking about the introduction. Why I interest to talking about this topic, and also why purpose of this topic. So, introduction. Critical academic reading is a vital competency for students, enabling them to comprehend complex, scholarly materials and formulate coherent, well-supported responses. These skills also contribute significantly to future employability prospects. So, despite its importance, many students, particularly those for whom English is a second language, encounter challenges in mastering critical reading abilities. These challenges include analyzing text, identify main idea, and evaluating arguments effectively. So, in this study seeks to identify the most challenging critical reading skill faced by students, along with the underlying reason for these difficulties. The ultimate goal is to provide targeted solution and empirical insight to enhance the development of critical reading proficiency among learners. So, the purpose of this study is to identify which critical academic reading skills students perceive as the most challenging and to explore the reason behind these difficulties. Now, we'll see the literature review. So, according to the research conducted by COPE 2020, proficiency reading skills are essential for the comprehension and mastery of academic knowledge. Critical reading abilities include a range of sub-skills as the identification of main concept and supporting details, the ability to make inference and recognize implied main idea, as well as the evaluation of argument and statement. Furthermore, analyzing context to uncover underlying assumption is a key component of critical reading. So the development of these skills can significantly enhance student critical and independent thinking ability. To enhance critical reading, in literature review, there are recommendations to strategies for enhanced critical reading. The first is top-down and also bottom-up processing in critical academic reading. The critical reading process encompasses two cognitive approaches. There are top-down and also bottom-up. The bottom-up approach emphasizes the decoding of word, phrase, and sentence to construct meaning from the text. Conversely, the top-down approach relies on prior knowledge and experience to interpret the material. Key top-down skills include the ability to predict topic, make inference, and create mental imagery. In practice, in practice, readers often utilize a combination of these two approaches to achieve a comprehensive understanding of the text. And then critical academic reading skills. So academic critical reading skills encompass several sub-skills such as first, understanding specialized vocabulary, second, identifying main ideas and supporting details, third is formulating topic and providing evidence, fourth is making inference and identify implied main idea, fifth, evaluating argument and statement, and six, analyzing context and detecting assumption. So they are critical academic reading skills encompass several sub skills. So if you want to enhance critical reading, yes, you can using the strategies between top down or bottom up. Now we're gonna talking about after bottom up and then top down. We should know the purpose or so bottom up or top down. These skills can help students develop critical and independent thinking skills as well as improve their ability to read and evaluate academic texts. By mastering these skills, students can think independently and critically, and the second is evaluate evidence and argument, the third is make informed decisions, and the last is develop analytical and synthetic skills. Critical academic reading skills. The first sub-skills focuses on vocabulary, where understanding of specialized vocabulary is crucial for comprehending challenge texts, particularly for ESL learner, ESL undergraduate who acquire these skills can independently interpret unfamiliar terms, improving their understanding of the given academic material. Secondly, identifying main idea and supporting detail is considered an essential skill in critical reading, especially for ESL students, as proficiency in this area allows them to extract important information from text and distinguish it from less imperative details. These skills can promote independent thinking by enabling students to focus on significant concepts and arguments, helping them develop their own perspective and evaluate the reading material more effectively. The third of skills involve formulating topic and providing evidence, allowing critical readers to identify the central topic of a text and assess the evidence stipulated to support it. These skills could encourage independent thinking by prompting prompting student to assess the validity and sufficiency of the evidence, contract logical, and also contract logical argument and formulate their own hypothesis. And the fourth set of skills involves making inference and identify implement idea, and then demanding students to delve beyond the surface meaning of a text. Being excellent in these skills empowers ESL undergraduate to independently conclude implicit information and establish connection between ideas. This in turn nurture critical thinking as students acquire the ability to question assumption and uncover immersive implication of textual material. And the fifth skill set involve understanding type of support and reasoning, emphasizing on evaluating argument in text critically. Proficiency in this ability enables ESL undergraduate to recognize different forms of evidence and reasoning to develop a critical thinking mindset. Additionally, the skills also allow the student to evaluate the strength of argument, identify weakness in reasoning, and assemble their identifiable well-reasoned argument. The next skills set involves the evaluation of argument and statement requiring context. Critical readers to be skilled at evaluating the validity and credibility of argument and statement exhibited in academic texts. So proficiency in these skills enable ESL students to independently evaluate the reliability of researches and the coherence of argument. One important sub-skills of critical reading skills is contextual analysis and assumption detection, which involve considering the broader context in which a text is situated, including the outer background and the social context. Challenge in developing critical academic reading skills among ESL undergraduate. So the challenge English as a second language or ESL students face various challenges in developing their academic critical reading skills. These challenges include the first is limited practice and insufficient language proficiency, and difficulties in grasping implicit meanings, often due to a lack of background knowledge. And the last is restricted vocabulary and inadequate critical reading skills. So these issues are not unique to Malaysia. They are observed in various countries around the world. Consequently, there is a pressing need for targeted intervention and in the implementation of effective teaching strategies to enhance academic critical reading skills among ESL students. So there are three challenges in developing critical academic reading skills especially among ESL undergraduates. Now, we're gonna talking about the methodology of this topic. So in this study, use a mixed method approach combining quantitative and qualitative data. There are 229 Malaysian public university students were selected as respondents and answered a questionnaire consisting of three sections. The first section is respondent demographic profile, and the second is perceived difficulties with academic critical reading skills, and the third is open-ended questions about the reason for the difficulty. The quantitative data were analyzed using descriptive statistic, while the qualitative data were analyzed using content analysis to identify them related to the difficulties. So that's the methodology for this topic. Using mixed method, combining between quantitative and also qualitative data. Coding guideline for state of analysis, according Bryman 2012. For processing the data, the first is analysis. So read the reason provided by the respondents regarding the skills. After analysis, the second is read again, go through the reason provided by the respondents regarding, and then the third is coded the text, categorize the reason according to them, and the last is relate general theoretical, relate the reason to the skills. So there are 4 steps to processing of data. Data qualitative or quantitative by according Bryman 2012. Okay, now we're gonna talking about the result and discussion about this topic. So the first is analysis result. Analysis result, student exhibit varying confidence level regarding their proficiency in academic critical reading skills. And the second is a significant portion of students reported feeling somewhat severely confident in their ability to master the 7 identified aspects of academic critical reading skills. And the third, the skills that students found most challenging to master include making inference and formulating implied main idea with 48% expressing some level of confidence, and analyzing context and detecting assumption with 48% indicating some level of confidence. So that's the analysis result. Many various. Yes. Overall responder claim of confidence in mastering critical reading skills, understanding the meaning of word, completely confidence, there are 8%, and fairly confidence 48%, and somewhat confidence is 38%, and slightly confidence in 4%, and not at all confidence is just 0.06%. Most of the respondents rate themselves as somewhat confident to fairly confident in all the 7 aspects of critical reading skills. Some rated themselves as completely confident, and very few rated themselves as slightly confident or not at all confident. Based on the result, it could be said that the respondent had some mastery of the 7 skills. However, only a small percentage of the respondents claimed they were completely confident with all 7 skills. Out the 7 skills, 15% of the respondents claimed they were completely confident with the skills to identify main idea and supporting details. That was followed by the skills to evaluate the author argument, there are 13%. The skills to determine type of support and reasoning, there are 13%. The skill to analyze context and detect assumption of the author is there are 8%. The skills to formulate topic and proficient evidence 8%, and the skills to understand the meaning of word is context 8%. So that's the analysis result analysis, sorry. And then okay, still result and discussion. Talking about skills of concert, the following skills have been identified as areas of concert. The first is making inference and formulating implied main ideas. The second, analyzing context and recognizing underlying assumption. And then the third is formulating topic and providing supporting evidence. And the last is evaluating the author argument. So, several factors contribute to this challenge, including first, limited vocabulary. Almost student, the challenge that they feel is limited vocabulary, and the second is insufficient analytical skills, and the last is phenological factors such as confusion and a lack of self-confidence. So still there are student lack of self-confidence, so that's why the critical reading skills they have it's not enhanced. Addressing these areas will be essential for overall improvement in analytical capabilities and critical thinking. Stay result and discussions now is implication. So the result of this study indicate that students still have difficulty mastering academic critical reading skills, especially limited vocabulary, and then therefore effort are needed to improve student academic critical reading skills and help them overcome the difficulties they face. Strategies that can be implemented include the first, improving vocabulary and analytical skills. Of course, if we are limited vocabulary, we should improving the vocabulary and then the analytical skills that we have gitu kan. And then the second is developing confidence and reducing confusion, and the last is providing effective practice and feedback. As a teacher, we should give the feedback for the student. So I think that one of way if we are give the feedback, I think student can enhance their critical thinking. Stay result and discussions. Now we're gonna talking about the challenge faced by student in difficult critical reading skills. So students often encounter challenge in mastering critical reading skills, particularly in the following area. So the first is identifying main idea and supporting the style. Students still confused to identify main idea and supporting idea. There are analytical skills they have is not enhanced, so that's why that confused to identify main idea and supporting details. And the second is making inference and articulating implied main ideas. And the last is analyzing context and recognizing underlying assumption. This challenge may stem from various factors, including limited vocabulary, insufficient analytical skills, and also psychological influence. Skills that present challenge. There are several skills that students often find challenging, including evaluating the author argument, analyzing text structures, and identify type of support and reasoning. It is common for many students to experience a lack of confidence in mastering these skills. And then factor contributing to student challenge in critical reading. Students face various challenges in developing their critical reading skills, which can be attributed to several key factors. First is limited vocabulary. There are many students, maybe around 8 until 15%, and then insufficient analytical skills like 5 until 6%, and psychological barriers including confusion and a lack of confidence. There are 23%. These elements can significantly impact a student's ability to engage with text critically and may warrant further attention and support. So that's the factor contributing to student challenge in critical reading. And then linguistic skills that pose challenge for students. Several linguistic skills may present challenge for students, including the first is limited vocabulary, and then insufficient analytical skill, which encompasses making inference, identify type of reasoning, and detecting underlying assumptions. Addressing this area can significantly enhance student overall language proficiency and critical thinking abilities. Non-linguistic factor challenge in critical reading. Several non-linguistic factors can significantly impact student difficulties in engaging with critical reading. These include the first, psychological factors such as confusion and a lack of confidence in their reading abilities, and then insufficient background knowledge relevant to the content, and then limited opportunity for practice, which may hinder skills development. And the last is challenge in comprehending the structure of the text. Addressing this factor is essential for fostering a more effective learning environment. Now, that's all about the result and discussion about this topic. Now we move to conclusion. So based on the finding of challenge in acquiring critical reading skills, a considerable percentage also expressed doubt about mastering these skills. Even at the lower level involving vocabulary and main ideas, this suggests that many students lack full confidence in their ability to acquire critical reading skills, with the perception of difficulty increasing when it comes to higher order critical reading skills. Identifying the type of critical reading skill perceived as difficult and understanding this reason can help educators address the issues effectively. Students eliminate to experience significant confusion and a lack of confidence when dealing with text that required critical thinking skills, particularly confusion and a lack of confidence, which are non-linguistic aspects of language skills, appeared as the primary reason for student difficulties in acquiring critical. To assist to become critical thinkers, critical thinking should be taught separately to focus student attention on specific skills. Improving language proficiency only may not be adequate to enhance student critical reading skills. Although suitable textbooks on critical reading skills can assist students stay focused, educators should be mindful of the type of the text they assign. Okay, everyone, that's all from me, and that's all the result and also the discussion, the methodologies, and also the conclusion. Enough from me. I hope what I say or this topic can give me and also you are I hope these videos can give we benefit all of. Okay, everyone, that's all from me. I hope this topic or these videos can give many benefits for us, especially for me. Maybe that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in the next videos. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.